Price from Eden Condensed Small Space Garden Design, and this is Garden Space. So questions come in about what are some good fall crops that you can grow near tomatoes or in the same area with tomatoes. So most of your tomatoes are going to come in end of summer, beginning of fall, and as you plant vegetables during the spring and summer, you'll be harvesting them throughout the summer and into fall. Probably the most famous companion plant for tomatoes are carrots. And you can certainly sow carrots around tomatoes and give them enough room, as long as the soil doesn't get too warm, because carrots do like cooler soil, whereas tomatoes do like warmer soil, but they're a great companion for each other. A natural companion also for tomatoes is basil. I've got this wonderful purple basil here, and they also benefit each other and grow well together, as well as they taste good together, because you can obviously put tomatoes and basils together for your cooking. Another one that I do like as well are pepper plants. I've got some yellow and red bell peppers here, and if you'll notice, things like basil, tomatoes, peppers, they all kind of go together as far as cooking styles and things that you can do with them in the kitchen, and they happen to go well together in the garden too. And then lastly, you can also plant lettuce underneath tomatoes, and what that will do is it acts sort of as a mulch in a way by keeping the soil moist for your tomatoes. So there's quite a few options of crops that you can put near your tomatoes for a fall harvest. If you have any other questions about what can grow near tomatoes, please contact me at www.edencondensed.com and enjoy your tomatoes.